Welcome to MatchTrader, the all-in-one trading platform built for every level of trader, offering the simplest user interface in the business, and now with TradingView. In this video, let's take a look at an overall introduction to the MatchTrader platform. The first thing you will note with MatchTrader is that almost everything you need is in view on the first page. You may easily resize the page to get a full view of the chart area. And you may easily slide the Positions and Orders panel open or closed. Across the top of the page, you will see your account number and options to trade, view analytics, or explore the latest market news and upcoming events on the economic calendar. As well, you can see just what is trending in FX and all other asset classes. Bullish or bearish market sentiment on most symbols is on display, along with the latest top movers, top gainers, and top losers on the day. You may also display your account's profit, equity, balance, free funds, margin, and your margin level in percentage terms. Clicking on your profile, you may view your account settings and information about your broker. You may change the platform's language and change from light mode to dark mode if you wish. You may also add MatchTrader to your smartphone, and we will explore that in another video. Unlike many smartphone trading apps, MatchTrader Mobile functions almost exactly as the desktop web platform. Under the main menu on the left, you may view your favorites list and the list of top movers. Click the search icon to view and trade all your asset classes. To add a symbol to the favorites list, simply click the star. We will have specific videos on charting, but let's take a quick look. The current chart is linked to the symbol chosen on the left, and the name and the daily high and low is displayed here. Time frames are selected from the drop-down. You may change the price action display from candles to line. Various multi-chart modes display the current chart, along with the last ones you viewed. You may zoom in and zoom out, or use your mouse wheel, and expand any charts or charts to full screen along with the order ticket of the current chart. You may activate or deactivate the crosshairs. MatchTrader provides a wide array of drawing tools, including lines, Fibonacci, text, and shapes. And a unique feature among platforms, the ability to chart standard patterns. Of course, a huge variety of indicators is available to plot and set up, either on the main chart or in a lower window, which is fully adjustable. Indicators may be modified directly on the chart, and we will have more videos specifically dealing with indicators. From the Chart Objects icon, you may hide or delete anything on the current chart, and use the Settings option to display or hide the grid, pending orders, and open orders. For more advanced charting, you may elect to use TradingView, and we will have other videos on that as well. On the bottom left, you will find information on current economic news, a comprehensive economic calendar, detailed market figures on the current symbol, and detailed symbol info including leverage and market hours. On any symbol, you may click Advanced Order, and a variety of trading options and risk management options are available, and you may modify these directly on the chart. Of course, we will have many more details on these in other videos. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this Match Trader video series and your new exciting trading adventure.